Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 13.2 question number 3. Rahman is making a wheel using spokes. He wants to fix equal spokes in such a way that the angles between any pair of consecutive spokes are equal. Help him by completing the table. Number of spokes 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Here you see, when the number of spokes are increasing, angle between the pair of consecutive spokes will decrease. That means the number of spokes and the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes are in inverse proportion. Here you see, you write that the number of spokes, the number of spokes, the number of spokes, the number of spokes, and the angle between a pair of consecutive spokes, consecutive spokes are in inverse proportion. Inverse proportion. Right? Now let us take the values of when the number of spokes is 8, the angle between pair of consecutive spokes be x1. When the number of spokes is 10, angle between consecutive spokes be x2. And when the number of spokes is 12, angle between pair of consecutive spokes be x3. Therefore, you can write here as, since they are in inverse proportion, you can write 4 into 90 degree is equal to 8 into x1. We can find the value of x1 as x1 is equal to 4 into 90 divided by 8. Right? Therefore, we are getting 4 2 is 8, 2 is 2, this is 45. Therefore, the value of x1 is equal to 45 degree. x1 is equal to 45 degree. 45 degree. I will find the value of x2. Again 4 into 90 degree is equal to 10 into x2, or the value of x2 will be 4 into 90 degree by 10. That is 10 1 is 10, 10 9 is 90. That means 4 9 is 36. The value of x2 is equal to 36 degree. Again, if we find the value of x3, that is 4 into 90 degree, and that is equal to 12 into x3, 12 into x3, or the value of x3 is equal to 4 into 90 degree divided by 12, or 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12, or 3 3 1 is 3 3 is 9. Therefore, the value of x3 is equal to 30 degree. Is equal to 30 degree. Right? Therefore, we can write here as the value of x1 as 45 degree. 45 degree. And the value of x2 as 36 degree. And the value of x3 as 30 degree. Here also you say that when the number of spokes increases, angle between a pair of consecutive spokes decreases. That means they are also in inverse proportion. From here we can conclude that they are in inverse proportion. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.